I put a cross here so my hand won't move. If she moves, it will come back again to the cross. Okay, now we're going to do this pattern. This you can make as a tablecloth or dress. I normally make the dress. I don't like to make tablecloths. I don't know why. I think I've done it when I was 11 years old or that. So I'm fed up with it. I'm going to make my door frame actually with this. Not a frame, decorate my door. So I'm going to use the red, poly red yarn and 1.5 mm. Number 2, do 12 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, do a slip stitch. Then chain first, 20 single crochets around. Keep going until you get to 20. So it's 20 already. Do a slip stitch. There. Slip stitch already. This is my pattern. What we did, I did is 12 chain and 20 single crochets. Now I'm going to do is a chain and a single crochet there, and then 9 chain, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th put single crochet. So one like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, skip, and then single crochet on the 5th, like that. You do 4 times this way. Come to the end already here. I'll show you how to do the slip stitch. First is single chain, single crochet, half double crochet there, and then this one 11 of this double crochet, and then half, and then single crochet, and then go next here, single crochet, half double crochet, 11 like that. Okay, now we do the slip stitch. And then one chain, single crochet, half double crochet, all out, then double crochet, see that? That's a single crochet, that's a half double crochet, and this is double crochet. Do 11. 2, 3, 4, 'What's wrong with this? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 ready. Next one is half double crochet, then single crochet, then go to the next one. Do the same thing as this one until you reach here. Do slip stitch, that, and a chain, and cut it off. Cut off already. Don't leave it like that. Hide it away. Put it in here. Slowly. There. I imagine this one as a flower. The green colors are all the leaves. So this is done, and the red color done. Now we're going to do the green. Green chain, single crochet on the half double crochet. Then 1, 2, skip single crochet. Okay. Do 5 chain, single crochet, skip 2, 5 chain. Always go skip 5, skip 2, then do 5, skip 2, do 5, and do the single crochet down here. I tie it here ready. So do 1 chain, and then single crochet. I did on the half double crochet here. Now you hide this thread like this. Do 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, hide it here, and then skip 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2, keep going until you reach here. Here too, see that? Count to 5 and then skip 2 here, and then single crochet here. Here, the end here is 2 chain, and then double crochet here. Then the next round is a chain, a single crochet, 5 chain again, go around again. Same. Then 2 chain and a double crochet here. Then chain, single crochet, and then go around 5, and all the loops you put a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet until you reach here. Come to this end. Ready? So there we have to do 2 chain and a double crochet. You can see, yeah, 2 chain and double crochet, and then next round is 1 chain, single crochet there, and do 9 chain, in the middle here, then a single crochet, then 5. Should do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the next one will be 9 here too. It shouldn't be brown color there, I have to change it. Okay, next one will do. Okay, 2 chain and a single crochet, double crochet, that, then a chain, single crochet on this part, then 9 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then a single crochet like that, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet. Did how many already? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, no, I didn't do 4. 1, 2, 3 only. So 3 only. It must do 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. There. So this one 9 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then single crochet here. Do the same thing. It always come to this part here. 9 here, 9. See this part? So here will be 9 and here will be 9. Reach to this corner already? Finish. Now 2 chain, again do slip stitch, and not slip stitch, double crochet like that, and chain and single crochet. Now we are here, this part. Now do a chain, a single crochet there already. Now we do double crochet straight away to this loop. 8 double crochet, 5 chain, 8 double crochet, and then a single crochet. Then go 5 chain, loop, 5 chain, loop, 5 chain, and then do the single crochet here, and 5 chain here, and then straight away a single crochet here, then do didn't see here. Okay, then a single crochet here, 5 chain, and a single crochet here. Then the next, this loop, same thing as this one, I did the chain and the single crochet already. Then double crochet straight away here, this 9 one. Do 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then double crochet, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then do is go to this loop, do single crochet there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go to this loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this loop. Must have 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So do this one, same here. Double crochet like that. Keep going. You should have 4 corners. Now I want to join this one to this. So I did 5 here, so it's not supposed to be 5. Here, do 2 first. Yes, do 2 and do a slip stitch here. And then do 2. 1, 2. Then do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that. And do a slip stitch here. And 1, 2. And slip stitch here. And 1, 2. Do single crochet here. 1, 2. Slip stitch. And then 1, 2. Single crochet here. 1, 2, slip stitch, and 1, 2, single crochet here, and do the 8 and do the same one as here. Okay, we are doing the last part here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch, cut it off, and then sew it up. Hide the threads here better, not here. You come out, you can see it. It is this part done. Part 1 done. There's part 2 for me.